Do you know you can find any Fibonacci number in Python using just an array? Let's see how easy it is. Okay, so first let's write a Python program to find the nth number in Fibonacci series. Here I have defined a function that is defined function name here, Fibonacci. Okay, so this Fibonacci function accepts one parameter, that is an n parameter. Here we have it. Okay. So intended to be the position 1 based in the Fibonacci sequence you wanted. Okay. Then after that, I'm writing a if n is less than or equal to 0, it's gonna check whether the input n is 0 or negative. Here, the Fibonacci positions should be positive integers. So this is an input validation stats. We call it as. Okay. Then after that, it returns an incorrect output. So if n is 0 or negative, the function immediately returns the string that is called input incorrect output. Okay. Then I have called data equals 0 comma 1. So I'm initializing a Python list called data with the first two Fibonacci numbers, that is 0, position 1, it's in the 0, position 2 is the 1 here. And this list will hold the sequence as it's built. Then if n is less than 2, only if the requested position n, okay, is greater than 2, do we need to compute additional Fibonacci numbers? If n is 1 or 2, the initial data already contains the answer here. Then after that, I have written a loop. So this loop iterates I from 2 up to the n minus 1 here. So each iteration computes the ith index element of the list, which corresponds to the Fibonacci position. Okay. Then I have written a data.append. So in each loop iteration, we append a new number. Okay, a new number to the data equal to the sum of two previous entries. So that is data I minus 1 is the immediate previous Fibonacci number, and data I minus 2 is one before that. Okay, then after that, I'm writing a written data n minus 1. Okay, so after the loop or immediately if n was 1 or 2, the functions return the nth Fibonacci number because the lists are 0 index. The nth Fibonacci is at the index n minus 1 here. Okay, now we are going to print it Fibonacci number 9. So it calls the function with n equals 9 and it prints the result. So here we got the result as 21. Okay, and that's how simple it is to find the n Fibonacci number using an array in Python. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python shorts every day. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.